into reservoir calculation using Petrel software. Yeah, we open a new interface. In situation like this, you have to open a new page, a new interface for your Petrel. So what we're going to do now, we have to generate our process. From your bring in your process. Yes, under process, you go to utilities. You double click on make/edit polygons. For the radius of the polygon, you can enter, for the radius of the polygon, enter 2000. That value will be given. Then you click run. You click run, apply, OK. You then double click on make simple grid. Now at this point, we have the top limit and the bottom limit. The top limit represents the top of your reservoir, while the base limit represents the bottom of your reservoir. The top and bottom of your reservoir can be gotten from your gamma ray log, where we have the top of sandstone and the bottom of sandstone. In our previous exercises, we have generated our gamma logs and we have generated different reservoir. So you go back, you get the top of a reservoir and the bottom of a reservoir. Let's say the top of our reservoir A, for example, from our gamma ray log, let's use minus 9000. Why we use a negative value? Because it's at the depth, negative value, negative Z. Let's use the base as minus 940. That's the thickness of that reservoir will be 40. The bottom minus the top. So the next thing you are going to do, you click on geometry. So on your Y minimum and under your Y minimum, S minimum, you can use 2000. Is that okay? So then you have to integrate your polygon into here. The polygon has been integrated. You now click apply, OK. Is that okay? The next thing you are going to do, you click on model. Your new model, the arrow you expanded, the 3D grid you expanded, the skeleton you expanded. Can you see it? So these are the 3D model. These are the 3D model here. So at this skeleton, you select skeleton, you right click on it, you now convert to surface. You convert your skeleton to surface. You can see it has been converted to surface here. Can you see? So this is the top, this is the middle, and this is the base. We have 3 surfaces there, top, middle, and base. So you copy the middle, you copy, this is copy and paste. You continue. You can say I've copied the middle and paste it. Can you see? This is the copy of the middle. So we have the top, middle, copy of the middle, and the base. So what I'm going to do, I will double click on my top. I'm going to edit it as zone A, zone B, zone C, and zone D. I will double click on the top. I will go to the info. I will put zone A. I will now click apply, OK. I will, sorry, it should be zone A. Let me edit it as, okay, zone A, apply, OK. I will do to the middle, zone B. I will go to my calculation. Now the depth here, I will input a value of depth. Let me put a value. We are maybe minus 910. That's the depth. Assign Z. I will click on this, the first one. I will now click apply, OK. Now on the copy, I will double click. I will change the name to zone C. So under my calculation, I put minus 940. Z, apply, OK. I will double click on this, zone D. I only change the depth of zone, the top and the middle. The top and the base, I will not do anything. I will not alter the depth. So I will just apply and OK at this point. So that's what you have. So the way you can bring this to the environment, let me try and bring my model to my workspace. So let me go to my map interpretation. You can see these are my model. Let me go to 3D window. Yeah, these are my model. You can see these are my model. My model, you bring your model to your working environment by going to under your window, you switch to 3D window. This is the 2D. This is 2D. You can see this is either the 3D window, the 2D window. This is my model 1, the middle model and the base model. They are all here. Let me see. You can see this is the 3D. These are the top model is off, the middle one is off, the bottom model. So those are the 3D models. Yeah, thank you. Before you start, volumetric is all about estimating your gas oil contact, oil water contact. We'll soon go there, but you have to generate your model, your zone, integrate your zone from your convert your polygon to surface, then generate a model before getting where you do your contact. Thank you. Continue from where you stop.